Hi friends, I'm Scott from Sharky's Greenhouses and Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer, and today we're going to address one of the issues that we have in our own yard, and that issue is a problem with deer. The deer love to come along and munch on our pretty flowers just like they do in your yard, and especially the petunias. Yeah, they love to come along and munch on the petunias, and they can strip a petunia tree like this down pretty fast. So one of the things that we found that works really well is the old school Irish Spring soap that really works well for us. And what we do is we cube it up into a bowl like this, and then we go through all of our pots and put just like a handful in. So on this there are 16 10-inch pots. Now how much do I put in a 10-inch pot? Well, I just take a handful like this of the cubed up Irish Spring soap, and I go through and I put that handful in each one, and it really seems to help keep those deer away. For some reason they don't like the smell of that soap. It really helps to protect our flowers for about 3 to 4 weeks. So we get about a month out of that, and then we'll buy another pack, we'll cube it up, and we'll do it again. And the soap does not affect the flowers. We've done this for years now, and it really seems to help give that level of protection, because it's so disappointing when you have all these beautiful flowers and then one morning you wake up and boom, they came along and the deer did their trick on them, and all this color is gone in one night. So it's so disappointing when you wake up to that. So that's why we've learned to really go through and protect our plants and flowers with something as simple as Irish Spring soap. Now another product that we found that works out really well is this Bonide Repel-Zol. It's a granular that you go through and you'll sprinkle in by your plants and flowers, and it also gives a smell that the deer or the critters do not like the raccoons or the squirrels or birds. It keeps them away. And what I like about the granular is you don't have to reapply it like a spray. So there's a lot of sprays out there that when you can go through and you can spray your flowers, but as soon as it rains, it washes off. Where with the granular, it keeps working for 2, 3, 4 weeks at a time. So you don't have to reapply it every time that it rains. So the Bonide Repel-Zol works great, and so does the Irish Spring for keeping those deer away from your plants and flowers and keeping you from being disappointed that they came along and absolutely ravaged your flowers. In the video description, we'll put the links for the Repel-Zol and also the Irish Spring soap. If you're liking our videos, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel where we have hundreds of how-to videos. And then head on over to our BeatYourNeighbor.com website where you'll find our tips and tricks and our blog articles and of course our Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer. And that's all over at BeatYourNeighbor.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.